Hey friends, if icons are missing from the start menu in Windows 11, then please watch this video. So this is the start menu these days. Actually, I don't even use it much, but if people have a problem with this, then here's what you can do. So restart the File Explorer. Why? Because the entire taskbar and the start menu are subsets of the File Explorer. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Wait for the list of processes to load. It needs a few seconds. Right click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. Now, if this doesn't work, then scroll down to Background Processes and try to find File Explorer or Windows Explorer here. The next one is to unpin and pin the icons. Okay, click on the Start menu here. Let's say that the problematic icon was, what do we say, this one, and it's not opening or not showing. Right click on it and then try to unpin it from Start. But what if it isn't pinned at all? Okay, right click on it and then select more and then pin to taskbar, so pin to start. So it will start appearing. Okay, you can select pinned icons. Now the next one is to perform an SFC scan, because yes, one of the causes behind all of these problems is broken and missing files on the computer. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.